Does your child know how to pronounce the sounds in the alphabet? Hi everybody, my name is Jo and in this video I'm going to show you how to pronounce all of the sounds in the alphabet. Why am I doing this? Well, because sometimes when children are learning phonics, it can be a little bit tricky if we're not sure how to pronounce the sounds. So parents I've been working with, they have been asking this question, and what we want when we are saying the sounds is the pure sound. So I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, U, X, Y, Z. I hope that helps, because sometimes when children are practicing, I hear them say L, for example. And what we want is the pure sound, L. And sometimes, for example, they may say M, but we don't want them to say M, because it's really tricky then when they try to sound out a word. For example, mat, if they're saying M, they might say m-at and then say mat. But actually we just want the pure sound, mm. So another one, some people say f, but we want them to say f. And b, we don't want b, we just want b. It's a bouncy sound, b, and d. And another one, p. We don't want to say p, we want to say p. And another one, Some people say r. We want to say the pure sound, which is Same with t. We don't say t, we say t. And v instead of v. Okay, so I hope that helps everybody. And if you would like more tips and tricks, please join my free school community on the link in the bio. Okay.